Welcome to Monoprice. My name is Ian, and today we'll be going over how to unclog your 3D printer. Today we'll be using our Mini Select V2 3D printer, but this will work for any printer you may own. If you made it to this video, chances are that your extruder is clogged. We'll go over a few common issues to figure out if that is in fact the case. Upon inserting filament into the extruder, you'll feel some blockage and are unable to reach the nozzle. When starting the print, it is hardly extruding at all, or the stepper motor is making a clicking sound. It's also a good idea, if your printer hasn't been run for an extended period of time, to do this anyway, because filament could still be stuck in the nozzle. Let's go over the materials needed in order to perform a thorough cleaning, as well as do what is known as the atomic pull method. You will need cleaning filament. ABS or PLA will work for this as well, but cleaning filament is recommended. Tweezers or needle nose pliers will be recommended, as well as a clogged nozzle. With our tools in order, let's get to it. Turn the printer on, and we will want to make sure that the extruder is a couple inches above the build plate. This can be done by adjusting the Z-axis in your printer menu. This may be slightly different on other printers. Every printer has this option, it may just be worded a little different. Then we'll want to set the temperature to 210 degrees Celsius. While it's preheating, we'll go ahead and remove the PTFE tube from the Bowden connector and get our cleaning filament ready. If you have one of our other printers, you should be able to insert filament right into the extruder. For this video, we will be using Monoprice cleaning filament, which can be found in the link in the description below. We will want to cut off a piece of filament large enough to reach the nozzle and still be able to keep a handle on it above the extruder as well. Let's also be sure to make a flat cut and not our typical angled cut when using the cleaning filament. This will ensure that everything gets pushed out on all sides. By now the printer should be preheated, and we will be able to take our cleaning filament and insert it into the top of the extruder. Push until you feel resistance. Once you do, that is when you'll want to apply some pressure, and don't be afraid to use a little bit of force for stubborn clogs. You may even want to use a bit of a back and forth sawing motion if you are not able to see the clog push through. Once we begin to see the cleaning filament push through the nozzle, that should indicate that the clog is cleared. You'll want to push a bit more through just to ensure it's all out. Then, let's drop our temperature to 140 degrees Celsius. And once it hits 140 degrees Celsius, we will pull our cleaning filament out with a nice, quick, clean pull. Congratulations, you have successfully unclogged the extruder on your 3D printer and should be ready to set up for your next print job. A link in the description below will take you to written instructions if you wish for those. I'm Ian with Monoprice. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out monoprice.com for 3D printer products, questions, and support. A link below will be inserted to take you there as well now. I'll reword that. Successfully unclogged the printer. The extruder. Okay. I'm Ian with Monoprice. Thank you for watching. And don't forget, okay. And I'm forgetting.